What's good, y'all? It's your boy Big Mac. Shoot a ninja in the back, give a ninja a heart attack. You feel me? And like, I'm gonna start this YouTube video off by saying like, all these money guru niggas is weird, man. They're fucking weird, man. Like, they all they do is fucking talk and shit. And like, right now you can see I have a job. Like, I'm a security guard and I'm working a dead end job. You feel me? Like, I'm in the car right now. There's a camera there, but I turn it off because these niggas be recording me. That's weird, man. You fucking weirdos. But look, I'm trying to make some money, man. I am trying to make some. I got a following on TikTok, but TikTok is not paying me. But look, I'm recording this now just so I could try to see if any of these businesses work. Affiliate marketing, that shit ass. Real estate wholesaling, that shit ass. Reselling pallets, it looks profitable, but it's a lot of slaving. What else? Flipping phones, flipping shoes, selling shit. All these niggas they do is talk. Only thing is that they talk about credit. They talk about how to get credit. I'm fixing my credit as we speak. I don't have a good credit. I'm a 6 something. It's like a 630 right now. But I'm fixing that so I could get that higher so I can get some business credit. There's a couple things that really working out. The one that's really looks very lucrative is reselling medical commodities. And like, that shit looks promising. I bought it, but like, I finessed it in a way. And I'm not going to tell you how I finesse it because I'll let y'all decide how I finesse it. And I finesse, you know who Bandman Kevo is? I finesse his OnlyFans too. Fuck that bitch ass nigga. He a scammer. But look, I'ma try to finesse more courses to help y'all niggas. You feel me? Cause I'm trying to make some money. You're trying to make some money. But you don't have enough money to buy these niggas courses. You get what I'm saying? Like, how the fuck does that make sense? I understand it's a business. I do get it as a business. But I ain't trying to, nigga, I don't give a fuck. You got plenty of money, my nigga. You're a business, but guess what? I ain't a dickhead. I ain't got a lot of money to spend my money at dickhead. And I remember I bought a fucking course. That shit was fucking useless. I couldn't even watch the video because it was an affiliate marketing course. It was like $20, bro. This shit was fucking useless. I fucking wish I never spent my money on it. And I bought this other nigga's course. That shit was ass. I had to get my refund back. I spent like $300. I was like, oh no, that's when only buy a course if it says 30-day money back guarantee. Don't buy some shit that says no refund allowed, cause I had to get my refund back on that dickhead. Dickhead tried to rob me. He said, oh, little to no money. It was a wholesaling course. I ain't gonna say the name cause nigga might sue me, but that nigga was a dickhead. Never going to him again. But look, I'm really trying to get this money and I'm trying to touch some bunnies, you feel me? Like, but for real though, man, I really, really want to make some money. I already got this course. I finessed it. I got the wholesalers and stuff. But this fucking bum ass job, I can't do it because it's limiting me, bro. Like I usually used to work overnights, right? And I had all day to do stuff. Now they're putting me at 9 to 5 and it gets dark at 6. And I'm pretty sure, like, you could tell my complexion. Nobody wants to see me at 6 o'clock at night. They might think I'm gonna rob them. You feel me? I be thinking all types of shit. But look, I'm gonna leverage my credit just so I can get some cash. You feel me? Just so I can get some cash. And then once I get this whole security shit figured out, bro, I'm gonna do reselling medical commodities, bro. I'm gonna do it. I finesse the course, but shut up. Look, and if a shit works out, I'm gonna link y'all niggas, bro. I'm gonna link y'all niggas, no cap. But for real though, I'm really, hopefully, fuck all these money gurus. All these do is fucking talk though, for real though, bro. And it's so, I literally spend all my time at work because I'm a security guard and I'm driving around, as you can tell. I literally spend like almost all the 8 hours watching these people, seeing how they make money. I try to do wholesale. I bought somebody's shit. That shit was ass. I realized I ain't want to do it. What else was affiliate marketing? I bought a course on that one. That shit was fucking trash. I couldn't even use it. They said they were supposed to call you. They never called me. And like the course says, oh, you have to get a call back before you could use the shit. And I'm like, what? Give me back my fucking money, bro. I bought another affiliate marketing shit. It was like $7. I need to go back to that. ClickBank, I tried that. There's a couple YouTubers that are really good. I would link them, but fuck them niggas, man. I don't give a fuck. But look, I really want to get this shit, though. Because I need this fast money, bro. And that's the only source of income that's fast. And I'm all about speed, my boy. I be DMing these niggas too. I DM two niggas, bro. These niggas aren't even famous. They're fucking randoms. Nigga ain't respond to my DM. You're a bum. Fuck you, nigga. Shit. Damn. But for real though, if you're seeing this from my TikTok, guys, let's not bring this up. This is a separate entity from my TikTok, so I'm about to get a wristwatch, you feel me? But for real, I'm trying to get some cash. And I know I already learned the difference with credit. I already got that set up. That once I get my shit set up, I'm gonna do Airbnb, Toro, you feel me? Some real estate, rental properties, bro. I already got all this shit settled out. I just need to put my foot in. Hopefully this bum ass job cooperate with me, and I'm gonna do it. I low-key want to do the reselling the pallets too, but niggas be capping. For real, man. I really want to get this money. And then, excuse me, and I'm not gonna lie, we should all like, I don't know, this is just an exact suggestion, but we should all put some money together and buy a course. You get what I'm saying? I want to help you, you want to help me, because I ain't got no capital. I ain't leveraging my credit on no course that's ass, my boy. Fuck that. Look, I would love to do that. If y'all would like to collab and put some money together and get a course, I'm talking about like if 1,000 people give like $1, I don't know. I ain't trying to spend more than $1 on a course, my boy. I'll do 10 at most. But I ain't doing no more than 100. Fuck that shit, my boy. Nah. But for real, I'm trying to get some money and trying to fuck a snow bunny. You dig what I'm saying? But for real, I really want this money. I don't want to work a 9 to 5. I don't know if y'all believe me, man. I don't want to prove myself, but I'm poor, man. I got $5, dog. I ain't got no money, bro. I'm working a 9 to 5. I ain't no guru. I ain't no Subaru. I'm broke. I'm a broke-o, nigga. Like, for real, man. See, I'm looking around just to make sure ain't no fucking civilians recording me or some shit. But for real, man, I want to get money. And all these niggas do is fucking yap, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, the course I finesse, he was straight to the point, though, no cap. He was straight to the point. He ain't do no fluff. He just said, you. I'm gonna let y'all know. Bandman Kevo, that nigga ass. That nigga shit is trash. I spent $50 on that nigga OnlyFans, and that shit was fucking trash. I ain't never doing that shit again. That's why I'm skeptical about these fucking courses. I bought a total of 3 courses. 3 courses. Bandman Kevo. I don't care about that nigga name. He a scammer, so what is he gonna do? Report me? The fuck? Oh, please, I'm not famous, so please don't do it. But look, Bandman Kevo, that shit was trash. This other dude's shit, that shit was trash. I ain't gonna say it because no legal problems, but Bandman Kevo was a scammer. So, fuck you gonna do, nigga? You a scammer. You're weird. But look, I want to get some money. I'm trying to get this money. TikTok ain't paying me because my videos aren't community guidelines. But none of that, bro. I want to get paid. I do not want to go to school. I do not want to do none of that shit, man. None of that. I don't want to go to school. And I want financial freedom. I already learned all about the credit shit. I removed collections. I'm doing all that letter shit. Bro, all that shit is free if you just find the right people. Don't pay these high-ass niggas. Don't pay these high-ass niggas shit, bro. But for real, man, I want to get paid. I want to make money. You want to make money. Hopefully we could connect. Hopefully we could put our necks on these bitches' necks. You feel me? I want some money. I just want some money, though. I don't. I can't wait to quit this fucking job, bro. You don't know what I'm telling you. The thing is about reselling pallets, it's 100% profit on that one, but that's a lot of slaving, bro. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do some slaving, dog. I just want to, you feel me? Wholesale real estate, that's out of the question. I ain't doing that shit. That shit is uncalled for. That shit is on top market for no reason, bitch. That shit's gonna run out one day. I'm pretty sure one day there's gonna run out of abandoned houses. Fuck that shit. Surplus funds. Fuck that shit. I ain't doing that shit. What else? But yeah, man. Comment down below. And I shop at 5 Below. You feel me? And I'm out, bro.